Operating legacy NI software on modern operating systems presents several challenges, but with the right approach, it is possible to achieve functionality. In this guide, we outline how we successfully installed and operated NI DAQmx 15.0 on Windows 11 despite its official compatibility being limited to Windows 7. While DAQmx 15.0 can be installed on Windows 11, users may encounter issues due to the lack of official support. In our initial attempt, the software successfully installed. However, we observed that NI Measurement and Automation Explorer, or MAX, failed to display system information, and the application crashed on startup. This issue is common when running legacy NI software on unsupported operating systems. In particular, missing system information in NI MAX can prevent proper device recognition and configuration. A configuration database reset is an effective solution to resolve system crashes and restore missing device data in NI MAX. To perform this reset, you will need to open NI MAX, then navigate to Tools and find Reset Configuration Data. Finally, confirm the reset and restart your system. Following this process, we successfully restored system information in NI MAX, enabling full operation of DAQmx 15.0 on Windows 11. Once restored, we were able to proceed with device setup and successfully conduct several key operations, including taking analog input measurements, toggling digital I/O directions and states, and measuring counter values using edge counting. While NI DAQmx 15.0 is designed for Windows 7, it can be made functional on Windows 11 with proper troubleshooting techniques. If you encounter software crashes or missing system data in NI MAX, the first and most effective step is to reset the configuration database. This concludes our tech tutorial using DAQmx on Windows 11. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.